people. So there is this particular channel called Investigative Discovery that you can find on, like, the channel is called ID, and it is part of this Discovery Plus app. So uh, once you download this app, which is free of cost, you can see this ID, Investigative Discovery, which is part of Discovery Plus. Here, there is this show called Web of Lies, and my god, the kind of it's basically it's a US based show about these a whole range of people, yeah, that who for some unfortunate circumstance get caught in a web of lies, such that quite often it results in murders. The story, the person's story that is being narrated by their friends, and it's a very my god, the show will give you goosebumps. So try and check it out, people. It's called Web of Lies, and it's part of ID, Investigative Discovery, which is in the Discovery channel, Discovery Plus app. So on that note, no, like I said, I want to make it only 1 minute, my videos. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.